I think it's really important to stay connected to the needs of young people, as a leader. Every individual that works here is valued. My approach is very much reliant on staying connected to the young people and to the teams that work within it as well. That approach makes sure then that what we're doing is meeting their needs.
I think Jo empowers the staff because she puts trust in us. She's got confidence in you as well. Everybody's treated the same and with kindness as well.
I think the biggest thing from me is how much she cares about the youth service and how much she wants it to develop and progress. The trust that she has in staff to develop new provisions. If you have ideas, it's fine to bring them forward.
But she does always give opportunities for everyone to come together and build bridges between colleagues that maybe don't see each other on a day-to-day.
She's very supportive on all areas of development of management. She empowers the staff to represent youth work in all various different forums.
And she always puts the young people first. If the young people identify a need from any consultations, Jo finds a way for us to deliver that.
Jo's legacy, every part of the development of the youth service, which has grown quite considerably over the years, has been linked to Jo's impact.
Thanks for everything that you do for us, for looking after our well-being, for encouraging us to take opportunities and also reminding us why we're here, to make their lives better.